Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. As part of our frugality, I often shop in charity shops. I go do a little bit of thrifting and go once or twice a week. So I'll show you my little thrifting haul in a moment. And I've been shopping at Bernardo's local charity shop, as well as my local charity shop, and a little Asda and a little Home Bargains. So I've had a busy day today, so let's just show you what I've been buying today. So in the little Asda I spent £14.18 and I got this big tray of chicken thighs. It was 2 kilograms. I usually buy the 1 kilogram packets in Aldi for £2.99, but these were on special offer for £4.46 for 2 kilograms. So I thought that was a great deal. So I've got like twice the amount. So I've saved about £1.50 there. So I thought that was a good deal. The tin of rice pudding, the jar of jam and the tin of tuna went in the food bank trolley. So that's why I'm not showing them. I also bought some sweet corn. I'm having a sweet corn moment. So they'll go in the oven when I cook the chicken, because I'll be cooking these tomorrow. I'm going to be making some tandoori chicken, and I'm also going to be cooking this chicken for my son. I've got the yogurt here as well. I got that from Asda, and that was £1.11. This chicken was £3.36. It wasn't on a particularly good offer, but not as good offer as the chicken thighs. I thought that was a much better offer. So I'm going to be cooking this in some sauce, and most of this will be tandoori, and a few pieces will be in the same sauce as this chicken, which I'll show you in a moment. I also got a reduced twice cheesy pasta salad, so that'll go in the fridge today and I'll yum that up tomorrow. That's my lunch for tomorrow. And a big bag of peppers. These cooking peppers I thought were good. There's 1, 2, 3, 7 of them in the bag, and they're £1.87. So the red and orange ones are lovely, nice and sweet. So I thought, right, yeah, so yummy. Because I throw peppers and everything. I love peppers. I have them in salad or whatever meal I'm cooking as well. I've also been to Home Bargains. I spent £18.95, a lot more than usual, but because I had to buy some stuff that I don't usually get. So I'll show you why. I got 4 packets of coffee because they haven't had it in for a couple of months. Sorry, there's a wire here. My phone's charging because it's run out of charge. They haven't had them in for a good couple of months. I've been gutted, and they've put the price up. Last time I bought them, they were £1.29 a packet. Now they're £1.49. That's because of the bad crops last year. So I just thought, okay, I'll get 4. 2 to use in the cupboard as usual, and 2 will go in my little prepper stash in my new pantry. Yay! I also got these meaty sausagey chews for the dog. These were 99p, so should be made up with them. Got soap as usual, £1.49 for a 4-pack. Antihistamines, I get these once a fortnight for the dog because she's got cherry eye, her eye gets itchy, so that's for the dog. And they're 79p, or these 79p already. I can't see them on my list. Yeah, 79p. I bought a box of paracetamol because it's that time of the year when we're full of colds, sniffles and headaches and all the rest of it. How much are they? Let's have a little look. No, I can't find them. Half asleep today. I bought some petroleum jelly because my hands and my lips get sore in the winter time, and this is only 79p because you're not paying for the brand. I got some vapor rub. This was how much was the vapor rub? Yeah, 99p again because you're not paying for the brand. And I like vapor rub because in the winter because I've got asthma, my chest is always a bit cackly, like a witch appropriately, with Halloween fastly approaching. And I got some cream for my face because I've run out of cream, and I always go looking for ones with an SPF, so it's a bit of protection from the sunshine. I'm not brand loyal in any way, so I'll just see what they've got, and that was £3.99. So the coffee was like £6 and the cream was £3, so there's an extra £3.99. So there's a tenner gone already on stuff I don't usually buy. I got some peri peri sauce, and that's what I'll use on the chicken for my son and some of these chicken thighs. And that's how much is that? Let's see. Yeah, that's 99p. So I think that's a good, is it? No, sorry, 89p. I got some beetroot as usual. That's 39p. I like this because it's in juice and not pickled. For a change, I got my son some Time Outs. These are 99p. I usually get them boxes. I usually get some cake, but I bought some jammy mallows today. Been thinking about my nan the last few days, my nana. And she used to get me these. I think they were called jamborees. And they used to have like yellowy orange ones as well as pink ones. These are just pink. And I just always used to look forward to going to my nan's because she always had them jammy mallows in. She used to take us up to Lodge Lane because we live near Lodge Lane in Liverpool, and there was a big sweet shop there, you know, where you in the big tubs, and she always used to get us some bags of sweets, and I always used to ask for bonbons. I love bonbons, toffee bonbons, the white ones. Oh, my mouth's salivating thinking about it. So yeah, that came to £18.95. So like I said, I spent a tenner more than usual because I got a little stash of coffee and my face cream. So this week I've been to Bernardo's and my local charity shop. I've picked up this broderie anglais top because I'm going to use it for fabric. It's a size 6, so there's no way it's going to fit me, but I just thought the beautiful fabric I will use for crafting. I bought this beautiful wool skirt, well, wool blends. Let's have a look at the label. I think it's got the usual polyester and stuff in it, but it's definitely got, I don't know if you can see that. Let's go back out. No, it's not focusing. Oh, nearly. There we go. 1% wool, polyester, acrylic, nylon, cotton, viscose, and 1% wool. I thought it was a bit more than that, but it does feel like wool because it's heavy and when you feel it, it's lovely. So yeah, no doubt I'll be crafting with that as well. So you'd be like, oh God, she's still doing that. I picked up a couple of lovely red gingham tea light jars. The two together were 50p. This is from my local shop. And I've also bought a lamp because this will go in the living room when I get the living room back because my son's in there at the moment. That was £1.50, and they pack test them to make sure they're safe as well. And I'm going to be upcycling it. So it's still going to be a lamp. I've got a few ideas what I'm going to do. So we'll see how that pans out. And I'll buy a second-hand lampshade. So for the moment, it's cost me £1.50 to do my lamp. So I'm pleased with that because it's like a lamp for the living room, which won't cost me much money because I don't want to spend much money, to be honest. I'm currently bidding on some chairs, dining chairs for the living room. So we'll see how that goes. I don't mind if I've got a mix of chairs because it's just to sort of set the scene when I put the house up for sale. So I've got the dining table that I've had 10, 15 years. I've had it for ages. But it's just I need some chairs because I've swapped the chairs out loads over the years. I don't want to buy new chairs because I'll probably get trashed in the move when we go to Scotland. I've also been to Bernardo's as well. So, oh yes, that little bundle, the skirt, the blouse, the gingham tea light holders and my lamp all were a £5 altogether. And I've been to Bernardo's. Oh, it's come off. And I've bought this bunting. It's supposed to be Christmas bunting, and it's got the numbers on the back. But to be honest, I'm not going to use it as Christmas bunting. I wanted it for the front because it's got the little hearts on. So some of that bunting will go on my dresser, and some will probably go in my little box bedroom because it was £1, so it's not precious in any way. And yeah, so I thought that'll do. But the main thing I was interested in buying for the middle bedroom, because I've got to renovate the middle bedroom, was this plain linen paper. It's double the length, 20 metres. It was better grade than the usual stuff that you're going to get, and it was a whopping great big, if you see that, £2. So rather than getting the walls plastered, because I just want to move things along now, I'm just going to put the liner paper up and paint it. I've got a raft of paints, all sorts of half pots and quarter pots and that sort of thing. So that bedroom is just going to use up all the spare pots of paint. And all I need to do is buy some paint for the woodwork. I've run out of wallpaper adhesive because I just want to put wallpaper on the chimney breast, just to make at least one wall stand out and the rest will be painted. So this linen paper I'm hoping will cover the window wall, which is a little bit rough, but it's nice thick paper, and the long wall where the door is. So I'm hoping it will cover that. So there you go. I've had a productive Cheapy Tuesday too. I've got a little stash there I got from the local charity shop, and a couple of things from Bernardo's. So let me know if you've bought any bargains recently. Have you been the car booty, or have you got stuff online like on Facebook Marketplace or eBay, anything like that? Let us know. I'm always interested to know what people buy. Especially this time of the year, because we're all looking for bargains, aren't we? Because when my kids were little, I was always looking for second-hand thrifted presents, as well as the new ones to pad them out, little stocking fillers. So yeah, let me know if you're getting stocking fillers now, because I think this is the time to do it. And now I'm going to go feed me big fat face with me lunch. Well, dinner now, because it's late. And I'm going to have some of these mallows. Yum, 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 yum. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe and all the doodads. And I hope to see you very shortly. Bye for now.